got it. One down. You got it. Keep going. You got this. Don't stop.
Every time you
You're thinking about it too much. Just dive in.
You're the hottest thing you'll ever eat. Ever in your life.
You can't give up after one. You got at least one more to beat Chuck.
One more. One more time.
You have water?
Here.
You have water? It's not going to help you, but it'll feel like it helps you.
Do you want some milk?
You want to drink the ranch?
You want milk?
Don't touch your eyes. Remember that.
Are you gonna pass out? You're drooling though.
Are you gonna go for it? Are you gonna go for it?
Are you gonna throw up?
You're drooling. What is that? The camera.
Are you done?
This is awful. This is awful, Dub.
Eat a carrot. Don't touch your eyes.
Don't touch him.
Don't touch your eyes.
Wipe his eyes, baby.
Huh?
Wipe his eyes.
Here. No more?
That was just one.
I told you 1.5, didn't I? He's dying, baby.
He's dying.
He's dying. This is awful.
No more?
Okay.